Hello YouTube. I'm here with another unboxing. This is for a recent purchase that I made with Portland Leather Goods. As you can see, I have two of my other items sitting here, the Eclipse makeup bag and the taco with a little tassel. And I just wanted to do this unboxing really quick and see how it kind of matches up or compares to these other two accessories as well. So I'm going to take it out of the box. And this is the bottom of the box. My information is on the other side, so we're going to open it this way. And this is something that I've wanted for a while. And just decided to go ahead and get it. And it's another small accessory. And it's wrapped up really nicely with Portland leather. And let me see if I can get it open without ripping the paper, but I don't know, I might be able to get it. Thought I was gonna have to rip it, but they have it tucked in, packaged pretty nicely. Yeah, it's gonna rip. So, and here it is. It is the small Luna case. This is really cute. I just needed a small makeup case to go in to some of my purses. I'm not really carrying a whole lot with me these days, so I thought this would be perfect. And as you can see, it's a little smaller. I don't know, it's a different shape than the taco, but it looks like it's a little bit smaller. It's a lot smaller than the Eclipse. Nice smooth leather. And the raw leather on the inside. Nicely made. And that's pretty much it. It's not a lot to it. It's just a small case you can use for makeup, accessories, and have it in your purse. It does match the small wallet that I have. It's the same, I think it's the same color leather, but this is a nice smooth leather, which I like. So there it is. And I will come back and put a couple of things in it so you can see what can actually fit inside. So I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm back, and I brought in my small Coach cosmetic case, and this is what I'm currently using in my purse right now. Now the measurement on this is, it's about 4.5 inches for the width, and just right under 3.5 for the height, and about 2 inches in the depth. Now the Portland leather It's about 4.5 in the length. It's a little bit taller, so just over 3.5. And about 2.5 in the depth. But the difference between these two is that this one tapers at the top. So I'm not sure how big of a difference that's going to make when I try to fit different items in. It may not, because again, it's just slightly taller. Now, as you can see right behind it, I brought in my Patricia Nash. This is just a scarf. I thought it was a pretty leopard print scarf, and I just wanted to put that up there. I got this, I believe, from Dillard's. It's just a really nice, it's a very long scarf. So if you're looking for a scarf, that might be one you want to check out. But I'm also, right now, just going to show you what I have inside of my Coach cosmetic case, so you can see. I have my Fenty lip gloss. I have a lipstick. I have another lipstick. I don't think they're going to sit. I have some eye makeup, a travel perfume. I think I have Fenty inside of that. A fingernail clip. Some mascara. And some concealer. And that's Bobbi Brown. And on the side, this one actually has a pocket, but those are just the papers that came with it. But it's a nice, roomy, it's small, but it's roomy. It can really carry a lot of things. Now let's see how these fit inside of the Portland. And I'm going to start with the longer items. And it doesn't appear to be a problem. Everything fits in. It's plenty of space. Could probably put maybe 1 or 2 other things in it and zip it up. It's bulging out a little bit, but I think I just need to adjust things. But yeah, this is a go. It will do. So I think I'll be switching out into this maybe tonight, and maybe switch up my wallet as well. But I do like this. I like the smooth leather, and like I've said before, I have several items from Portland Leather. Some that I bought directly from Portland Leather, and a few that I found at a thrift store. All of them, the quality is really good. They're holding up. And this one, oh my God, I think it was like $24. It was on sale. And this, I'm pretty sure, will last a very long time. And like I said, I just wanted a small makeup case because I'm not really carrying a whole lot of things during the day. I just needed something small. But like I said, I use it as a makeup case. You could use it, you know, for other accessories or things that you need in your purse or for travel. But I always have good things to say about Portland Leather. Everything that I've bought, I've used, and it really does hold up very well. So maybe next time I will do a video where I put all my accessories inside of the bag, so you can see how they fit inside and how well they're doing. But again, there's the Eclipse bag behind that. And I like that the colors complement each other. And there's the taco. I like a lot of earth tones, so this is really nice. So there you go. And if you haven't tried Portland leather, maybe you might want to try it. Maybe try something small that doesn't cost too much, so you can see if it's something that you would like to continue to use or possibly start a collection. So thank you again. I really appreciate it. And I want to thank all of my new and existing subscribers. I really appreciate you subscribing to my channel. And if you would share, and if you have any questions or requests, just let me know down in the comments. And thank you again. See you next time.